Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. We haven't done that for a while. We've mainly focused on tech stocks and several altcoins, but Bitcoin is still leading the market. So I would say let's take a look at the charts. Let's go. We are on the Market Intel website. You know how it works. You can register here completely for free. You get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates. Today, we want to take a look at the latest crypto updates. And this is basically what you see when you register on the website. You get access to these crypto charts here, written updates, support, resistance levels. And whenever we analyze Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think we should look at Ethereum first. And we take a look at the daily chart. Yeah, let's take a look at the daily chart. Ethereum so far quite weak in this cycle. I mean, at least weaker than Bitcoin. It hasn't really performed it hasn't really outperformed Bitcoin yet. Typically, that's what people expect in a bull market. It hasn't happened yet. We can only always analyze what happens right now. They both have a bullish structure still, Bitcoin and Ethereum, but Ethereum hasn't outperformed Bitcoin yet. That has happened in previous cycles at some point, so we're not there yet. But let's take a look at the daily chart. Nothing unusual happening here at the moment. Perspective is still that Ethereum is in this wave 2. You might remember from previous updates, our expectation here was that Ethereum would dip a little bit further into that green support zone. This has happened. The price most recently touched the 78.6 retracement, nearly touched it at $2,072, and we call this a wave 2 correction. And yeah, from here a third wave rally could start, and this third wave, as you know, is typically the most aggressive rally. We see it as likely that we might maybe get another low or so, but we take a look at that on the 8-hour chart. But in the preferred scenario, we are holding the trading area. Yeah, we're holding this support area, which is spanning between $1,813 and $2,807. We assume that is the case with a 65% likelihood. So that's what we assign the bullish scenario. Okay, in a more bearish scenario, we can say that, yep, we get another low, okay, and it would be an alternative wave 2 of a larger wave degree. In this case, the price, however, to confirm that would need to break below $1,522, and it's only the alternative scenario. Let's take a look at the Ethereum 8-hour chart. Here you can see that we haven't got a clear bottoming formation yet, so there isn't enough structure for us to work with to come up with a really reliable wave count here to the upside. But you see here the support area in more detail, so $1,813 and $2,072 are the next relevant support levels. In terms of invalidation points, we have 1,522 just below. That really needs to hold even if the price dips below the trading area. But overall, our expectation would be a reversal in this area. Isn't very clear yet, so it hasn't really clearly given us a nice 5-wave move to the upside yet, which is what we need to see to confirm a low. And 4,091 is the key upside resistance that needs to break so that we can clearly say, yep, a third wave rally is unfolding. Looking at the Bitcoin chart, now it's getting interesting because Bitcoin is still leading the market. So looking at this, you can see that the fourth wave here is still unfolding. That's also as per previous updates. We added a bearish alternative after the 5th of August, but that is only the alternative. We only assign it a 30% likelihood. That would come into play if the price breaks below $47,000. It will become more likely then, but it will really only be confirmed with a break below 38,542. Again, only 30% likelihood at the moment. It would indicate a larger wave 2 if the price, let's say dipped into this area around 22K to 29K. From here, then we could start a third wave rally. It would be a slightly different structure, but at the moment, the idea is that we are still in this larger move up. This is just a very protracted and extended wave 4, and then we could get another move up in wave 5 afterwards, then another 4, then another 5, and it could take us sort of towards $90,000 to $100,000, maybe even a bit higher, but we would need to see how now the next rally unfolds, and then obviously that wave 4 support needs to hold and so on. But let's take a look at the 4-hour chart for a little bit more detail, a little bit more of a zoomed in perspective. Also here you can see we haven't really seen enough, let's say clear upside that would give us a lot to work with in terms of structure from this swing low from the 5th of August, this small flash crash. Not unexpected. If you watched previous updates, then you know that we were watching for possibly one more test of this green support zone. Some of you might have used that to add positions, and then, you know, the price already left this area to the upside, but it hasn't clearly bottomed yet. So we need to see a little bit more structure. Here, key resistance 73,808 is the key level that needs to be broken to the upside to confirm that wave 5 of orange, wave 3 is unfolding. So overall, quite bullish the charts still, but they haven't clearly bottomed. So it means the corrections are set to continue. At least we need to consider that they are continuing. But hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Activate the notification bell, and also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or tech stocks or other assets you want me to analyze in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.